to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're back with a thrift haul. Unlike most of my thrift hauls, I actually have a bit of bric-a-brac, sort of home decor things in here, as well as a bag and some clothes. So if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I'm going to do this in no particular order. I'm going to just kind of reach and show you what I've got. Apologies for the state. I'm so sweaty. It's so hot. I've literally just got back, but I'm super busy and I want to get this video edited and uploaded today. So first thing I picked up was this gorgeous Kate Luxton bag. I googled it and these retail for about £40 and I got this for £4.50. There is a couple of scuffs on it, but nothing I don't think I could wipe off. And it's just in this gorgeous kind of pastel blue colour. It's an amazing size, great for sort of going out in the evening or even if going out for the day. I reckon you probably could get away with this. It's big enough to put your phone, sort of your hand gel, your keys, all that jazz, and I just thought this is gorgeous. Obviously it's an over body bag, so it's got this lovely long strap which is adjustable, and I saw this and was instantly drawn to it because I recognised the brand and also then just loved the colour a lot. So I picked this one up and for £4.50 can't go wrong. The next thing I picked up is this gorgeous dress. This is from a brand called Innocent. It's in a size 14 and this was £5.99. Obviously you'll see this better in the try on clip, but it's sort of this gorgeous button up dress. It's in this navy blue colour with sort of mustardy yellow, sort of red flowers, and I just thought this was gorgeous. Would be super nice to sort of as it's getting a little bit cooler. Obviously at the moment it's super hot, but it's still that kind of floaty material that will keep you cool, but it is a midi length and you have got kind of the sleeves, so I think it'd be good kind of transitional into kind of the cooler days in summer and then obviously into autumn. And I think these colours really do scream autumn to me, and I think I probably could go away with this with a pair of tights and a cardigan in the autumn, but then still it's a piece I can wear in the summer. I love a summer dress. I love just a dress in general. It's super easy to style, just with some black shoes and you're ready to go and a nice bag, and I just love this. And for £5.99 that is a little bit pricier than I normally spend, but I'm super happy with that one. This is the blue dress. I definitely think this is one I'm going to have to play around with. I've actually just whacked an earring in there to keep it hold together, otherwise it literally comes down to like here, which is just a little bit too low cut for me. I do think I'll probably get away with wearing maybe a little vest top underneath and that should be fine, or literally just getting it pinned or literally just put a stitch in it so it's kind of held nicely here. It also is a tiny bit baggy, so I would probably debate putting a belt on this. I do actually really like the shape. I like the overall flowiness of it. I like the colour, I like the print. So I don't think this is a win. You just might want to have to play around with it a little bit more. Maybe put a stitch in, maybe just safety pin it better. I do think this one is super cute. I also picked up this skirt. Now my friend Ellie saw this and was like, Amy, this isn't in my size, so you need to get it because it's in your size and it's gorgeous. This was originally from BHS. This was £3.50 and it was on a size 14 hanger, although I can't actually see a size anywhere on here. So I'm hoping it is a 14, maybe even hoping it's a 16. But it's this gorgeous kind of midi skirt. It's kind of the same shape as kind of the satin ones that were quite on trend a while ago. It is elasticated waist, so I'm really hoping this fits. I'm thinking this was sort of a white little cami top, even like a little lace top. I just think this would be gorgeous and I'm so excited to style this. I do think you could probably get away with black as well because it is kind of black details on the flowers. And these are the sort of things I love the charity shops for, because you can find more unique old school pieces. I mean, if you look at this label, you can kind of tell a bit how old this is. And I just think this is a gorgeous piece that will kind of see me through lots and lots of years. And I just love the pattern and I just think this is an absolutely gorgeous piece. I'm super excited to wear this. Then this is the skirt. I'm so happy this one fits. I was really thinking it looked a bit too small, but I actually think it fits absolutely perfect. I've still got a little bit of room in the waist. It's super stretchy. I like it just paired with a plain white top. That's probably how I would wear it. I love this one a lot. I feel like this is one that's got quite potential that you could really dress up, but also just wear it on an everyday basis, which is not my favourite type of clothes, so you can wear them for multiple occasions. This is super floaty, good for the summer. I think it's an all-rounder, amazing one. I feel like I would quite like maybe a little lacy white top. I think it would look so cute with this. This is really the only white top I own. Again, I think this is something I could probably wear into winter, just how I style it. And I just love this one a lot. Then also in British Heart Foundation picked up this swimming costume. Now this was £4.50 and it does say it's in an XXL, which probably is not my size. I'm probably more of a large to extra large. But I saw this and I thought this swimming costume, you can always go sizing it up a little bit and you can sort of tie it as tight as you want round the neck. Obviously you'll see on the try on clip if it does fit. And the bottoms do look quite big, but then again, I'm a bit bigger on the bottom, so should be fine. And I just loved kind of the stripy grey and white pattern on this. I've not got any holidays booked, but I'm hoping to go on one relatively soon, and I just thought this is gorgeous. It's in perfect condition, it still has tags on, and I just thought this was really cute, so I thought £4.50 I'll try it on. If it doesn't work, I'll just sell it on after. This is the swimming costume. I'm actually really happy with this. It's the tiniest bit big on the chest area. Also the cups are here, so I need a way to kind of wiggle down these cups, which I reckon I probably could work out how you do, probably best when it's off. I really like this, and I think for $4.49 or whatever it was, this is such a good bargain. I love the colours, I think there's something a bit different. I also really like the shape of this. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one a lot. I think it's super cute, and yeah, so happy I found this one. I then picked up this dress. Now, I'd actually saw this dress when I went the week before with my friend Katie and didn't get it. It was £6, so a little bit pricier. And this is in a size 14. It's originally from New Look. And to be honest, what drew me to this really was the neckline. I love this sort of square neckline. I think this is gorgeous. And it's just this midi dress. It's sort of a ribbed fabric, but it's quite a tight stretch. I thought this would be gorgeous for kind of a first date vibe, so I could be going for drinks or whatever, and I thought this would be super cute, and I want to have pieces like this in my wardrobe just in case. So I really liked this one a lot. I thought this was super cute. Excited to try this on and see how it fits. I'm hoping it flatters my curves and kind of, yeah, accentuates the right thing. So I think this is cute, and I do like red with my skin tone, with my hair colour. I think red really does work, so I'm quite drawn to red as a colour. The red dress, I've put it on with no bra, mainly because I didn't have a bra on, and I don't know if I probably could get away with a bra, as it is super tight. I don't know if it's just because I'm hot and sweaty, because it is literally 30 degrees outside, but this is very tight enough I probably could still get away with wearing it. I can still breathe. Obviously it is a stretchy material, it just is super snug. It's kind of that kind of rigid ribbed material. However, in saying that, I do think it looks nice without bra. I've still got a decent amount of cleavage. It still looks nice. I like the way it flatters my curves. Definitely not one to wear when it's this hot, but I do think this is really cute. I'm excited to wear this on a drink night or something like that. I really like this one a lot. Next couple of things I think are bric-a-brac kind of home decor. So one of the first things I picked up, this was £1.99. It was from Oxfam, and it's just this gorgeous kind of wicker hexagonal basket. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know these are the sort of things that I love to pick up in the charity shops. I would never spend a lot of money on these, because you can get these from anywhere from 50p up to like £3 or £4 in the charity shop, and they always have things like this in. I like how this is hexagonal. It's a decent size that I could pop maybe even like some scrunchies in here, or keep it in my bathroom and put some like pads, tampons in. That's the sort of vibe I was thinking with this. I love these sort of things, super practical. I like to buy them when I see them, and then I can always have them on hand. I feel like when you start to organise something, that's when you need them. So best to keep them whenever you see them, just grab them. And I have a box in my wardrobe full of boxes and little storage containers like this, and I just think this is super easy to have on hand. And yeah, I really like this. I'm also thinking it'd be nice on the bedside table for people to kind of throw their watch in or whatever when they're going to bed. And probably something I would keep on my bedside table, the one that I don't normally use, and maybe just pop bits and pieces in there that I might need. And I just thought it's super cute, and I like having little storage boxes, but as I said, always handy to have on hand. On similar lines to that, I got these two. Let me grab the other one. These kind of wooden, a bit tortoiseshell vibe pots. So there's one bigger one and one smaller. The bigger one was £1.79 and the smaller one was £1.49, and they're just these gorgeous little pots. I'll show you this one, and they're just like kind of plain inside, still that kind of tortoiseshell kind of vibe. And I know it's wooden, so I'm calling it tortoiseshell, but you'll know what I mean. It's kind of that more speckled kind of wooden design. These two on the side, I think it'd be gorgeous. I think I'm probably going to keep one with my everyday earrings in and one with my everyday kind of necklaces and bracelets. And I just think these would be super cute sitting on the side to kind of organise my mess a little bit, but then also still look super cute. And again, these are the sort of things I'd never buy new. Always find in the charity shops, and give them a little wipe over and you're set. And I just think these are gorgeous kind of pieces. They don't say where they're from originally, and they've got kind of no branding on them at all. I just think these are absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to style these up in my room. Final thing, which was actually the first thing I picked up, which was quite impractical because then I had to carry it around for the rest of the day. This was originally from Marks and Spencer's, and this was £2.50, and it's just this gorgeous kind of wooden vase. It's a very impractical size vase because you'd only be able to fit like kind of one stem, but to be fair, I'm probably not going to use it for anything real, maybe just put one fake plant in it. But I love this kind of design. If you've been around here for a while, you'll know I've got kind of a taller vase. I've got kind of a taller vase that also has this kind of cutout in it, and I really like that look. And I thought this one would look quite cute next to it, kind of collecting lots of vases that I like, the interesting shapes, and it's just kind of this dark wood, which I really enjoy. That's everything I got today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite piece was down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!